I asked an AI to create a piece of worship art. It generated this beautiful image of hands lifted towards a glowing light. It was stunning. It was moving. It was also completely soulless. And that's when I realized AI can make art, but can it worship? Your teen can now create professional-looking art, write compelling stories, and even compose music, all with the help of AI. And that's incredible. But here's the question we're not asking. If the AI is doing the creating, what are we doing? If algorithms are generating all the beauty, what happens to the human soul in the process? Way back in the book of Exodus, when God was giving the instructions for building the tabernacle, he appointed a man named Bezalel. And listen to what it says about him in Exodus 35. And he has filled him with the Spirit of God, with skill, ability, and knowledge in all kinds of craftsmanship to design artistic works. God didn't give humans creativity because we needed to be productive. He gave us creativity because He is creative. We create because we are made in His image. It's a reflection of His nature in us. AI can mix colors, but only a human can capture the way sunlight feels pouring through the stained glass on a Sunday morning. AI can generate melodies, but only a human can write a song from a broken heart that God is in the process of healing. AI can arrange words, but only a human can pray them. The tools are getting better and better. Text-to-image AI can take a simple phrase and turn it into a masterpiece. AI writing assistants can help us overcome writer's block, but we have to decide if we're using these tools as a partner or as a replacement. In our book, Maya, the creative and cautious student, starts using AI art tools. She's amazed at what she can make, but she also starts to worry if it's still her art. And that's the right question to ask. The partnership model of human-AI collaboration is about using AI to enhance our vision, not to replace it. It's the difference between using a calculator to do complex math and letting the calculator decide what problem to solve. We are still the authors, the dreamers, the ones with the story to tell. Psalm 96 calls us to sing to the Lord a new song. Not the same song the algorithm is singing. A new song, your song. So how do we do this? First, create something human this week. Make a piece of art, write a poem, or sing a song with zero AI assistance. Get your hands dirty. Notice how it feels different. Second, if you are using AI in your creative process, use the collaboration test. Ask yourself, is this still my vision? Or am I just picking my favorite option from what the AI gave me? Stay in the driver's seat. And third, create something as an act of worship. Don't post it, don't share it, don't ask for likes. Just make something and offer it to God as a gift. That's the purest form of creativity there is. AI can generate beautiful things, but only an image bearer, someone made in the likeness of God, can create beauty that points back to the Creator. And that, my friend, is not just a difference in degree, that's a difference in kind. Let's go create something beautiful for Him this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our next awesome adventure. See you in the next video.